Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to all of the listeners. We are going to have a brief explanation of a model of Maruti Suzuki, namely Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. So let's have a look at the history of company first. Maruti Suzuki India Limited, which was known as Maruti Udyog Limited, a subsidiary of Suzuki Motor Corporation of Japan, is India's largest passenger car company, accounting for over 50% of the domestic car market. Maruti Udyog Limited was incorporated in 1981. It was founded and owned by the Government of India in between 1981 until 2003. It was sold to Suzuki Motor Corporation by the Government of India in 2003. As of July 2018, it had a market share of 53% in Indian passenger car market. Since inception, the company has produced and sold over 7.5 million vehicles in India and exported over 5 lakh units to Europe and some other countries. Maruti Suzuki India Private Limited primarily manufactured cars and has been the most favorite automobile brand among Indian people since inception. The very first model of Maruti, that is Maruti Suzuki 800, made its way to Indian roads in December 1983. The second in the series was India's first MUV Maruti Suzuki Omni that was launched in November 1984. The other models that came into market in subsequent years were Gipsy in 1985, Maruti 1000 in 1990, Zen in 1993, Esteem in 1994, Wagoner in 1999, Swift in 2005, Grand Vitara in 2007, Maruti Suzuki A-Star in 2008, Ritz in 2009, Eco in 2009, Alto K10 in 2010, Kizashi in 2011, Ertiga in 2012, Alto 800 in 2012, and Celerio in 2013, and Ciaz in 2014. Let's have a look at the Maruti Suzuki car prices list according April 2021 in India. So Maruti Suzuki Swift priced rupees 5.73 lakhs, Maruti Suzuki Baleno rupees 5.96 lakhs, Maruti Suzuki Ertiga 7.78 lakhs, Maruti Suzuki Vitara 7.51 lakhs, Maruti Suzuki Alto 3 lakhs, Maruti Suzuki Dzire 5.98 lakhs.
Now let's look at the model Ertiga's pros that why you should buy one. The reason why you should definitely consider buying the Ertiga is value for money. The Ertiga is around rupees 3-4 lakhs cheaper than its closest rival, the Mahindra Marzo. Now even if Maruti is charging less for the car, it's not like they have scheme on the equipment. It has features like a touchscreen system, rear AC, automatic climate control, ABS with EBS, dual airbags, and ISOFIX rear seats among others. The second reason is the ease with which you can get in and out of the car. The rear seat is placed at the ideal height, so getting in and out is easy. The third reason to buy Ertiga is comfortable seats in first row, second row, or the third row. You sit a good height, and despite that you have decent headroom. The fourth reason to buy Ertiga is amount of luggage space. The fifth reason to buy the car is the lighter and more rigid chassis. Despite being much larger than the older car, it is 20 kilos lighter. Overall, Ertiga makes for a really good long distance car.
Specifications of Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. The next generation Ertiga is a family car that is carved to be big on performance and offers great mileage. It has flat bottom steering wheel and it also has flexible boot storage. Apart from that, it has a TFT multi-information colored display, which has new age Smart Play Studio, steering mounted audio and calling controls. It also has an air-cooled twin cup holder and automatic climate control. With the multi-information display, you can stay updated with the vehicle's vital information on the high-definition colored TFT screen that displays a multitude of information including average fuel consumption, driving range, gear shift indicator, power and torque display, idle start stop, etc. The all-new K15 petrol engine with progressive smart hybrid technology in Ertiga is engineered to deliver remarkable performance while ensuring a pleasurable driving experience for all. The all-new engine is available in both manual and automatic transmission options. What makes Ertiga incredibly safe is that it is based on the solid hard-tacked platform which employs high tensile steel at all the right places to improve overall safety, rigidity, and NVH performance. It is built for effective absorption and dispersion of crash energy, which provides higher safety for occupants. The Hartech platform has dual airbags, ABS with EBD. It also has high hold technology and electronic stability program.